Are you a healthcare provider in the Southeast looking for the top-notch MSK Ultrasound injection training course? Well, look no further than R3 Medical Training. At our brand new facility right in Orlando, Florida, we offer CME accredited MSK ultrasound guided injection courses for upper extremity, lower extremity, and spine. A lot of people don't realize that ultrasound guided injections are just as accurate at fluoroscopic guided injections, with the added benefits of being a lot more portable, a lot less expensive. You don't need to lead line the walls, and they help with real-time diagnostic ultrasound. You can see a lot of things on ultrasound in real time right there with your patients that you wouldn't necessarily notice on a fluoroscopy. Now let me tell you about the value triangle that we offer at R3 Medical Training's Orlando location. First of all these courses are CME accredited. Now we have other locations nationwide. You can see them on r3medicaltraining.com. But each course has 8 hours of CME accreditation. So if you need your credits, you can get those at the same time. In addition, our faculty are experts in MSK ultrasound. They've been doing this for many years. They have thousands of hours of real-world experience with ultrasound because this is what they do for a living. They're very personable. They'll spend the time necessary with you to cement that skill set into your brain. Moving down the value triangle to hands-on experience. There's nothing like using MSK ultrasound hands-on to once again cement that skill set and give you that confidence in front of your patients. Your patients now expect you to use image guidance for injections, especially if they're paying out of pocket for, let's say, a regenerative biologic procedure, and they see you doing it blindly, and they're like, well, how do I know that the biologic's going where you need it to go? I mean, it's really old school to do it blindly, even for knees, you know? There's places that you don't want to inject into a knee, so this is the best way to do it. Hands-on, what do I mean by that? Well, first of all, we have real patients coming in for these trainings. It might be a first responder, a teacher, or a military veteran being treated for free under our Heroes program that our attendees get to work on. You get to hear their stories. You get to see a diagnostic ultrasound to show where the pathology is, and then perform these procedures under the tutelage of our expert faculty. Also, we have the first-rate, state-of-the-art needle trainer technology. It's amazing to see it. I've tried it many times and I'm astounded. Basically, you have a needle and you put it through the skin. It doesn't actually go through the skin, but it uses GPS and AI to show you exactly where that needle goes, and you can feel it in a tactile manner, and you can see the angle, the depth, everything just as you would in a real patient. So it helps to give you more reps, more repetitions to help cement that skill set. Moving along to, also very important, is affordability. Now, we've raised our prices twice in the last 10 years since we started. We try to keep it really affordable for providers. Everybody gets a free procedure in their registration payment. What does that mean? That means that you get to do a procedure, you know, with your other attendees on each other, but they'll do one on you. There's nothing like being able to tell your patients, hey, I've had this done and here's what it did for me. No other training course is going to offer you that. The hands-on experience, the affordability, the included procedure, plus the CME accreditation. Can't get any better. Visit us online today, r3medicaltraining.com. You can sign up there. Slots are limited. Our training courses have gotten very popular over the last decade, more and more and more. And we only allow so many registrants because we want to make it small enough so you get the experience that you need. You can also call us at the number listed to get more information too. Thank you for watching.